Alright everybody, we are looking at an earpad installation for Focal headphones. Now this specific set is the Focal Elear headphones, and there's so many headphones that they design that look like this, and they all use very much the same earpad. The materials might change, but the actual attachment is the same. It's very straightforward. I will post in the video exactly which models obviously are compatible. Okay, so pre-installation, we are looking at the back of the earpad here. You can see it has 5 little plastic pieces. These are like, they're kind of split like that. And then basically when you put them in, they squeeze together and fit inside of a hole that is on the earphone. So you got 5, one there, there. They're the larger ones. The other ones have screws in them. But yeah, there's 5 of them. Okay, today we are going to be installing our new Accessory House Global sheepskin earpads for Focal headphones. We're going to be taking off these old ones from the Elears, which are made out of, I believe it's Alcantara. And all you're going to do is, what I like to do is I put 2 fingers on the, like the yoke, and the other ones here on the sides. I'm just going to pinch with my thumb and my forefinger, and I'm just going to pull. I use about medium force to do that, and it pops off no problem. Nothing's broken. That's one. Same thing over here. There you go. All done. Okay, so with the new earpads, you're going to look on the back here. You see they have that middle with these 5 blue little plastic pieces. And they're going to fit into these 5 holes right here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. Now the bottom of the earpad has the stitching. The top of the earpad, look on the back, it has the middle plastic piece. You're going to align that middle plastic piece with the top hole of the earphone I should say, right there. And once that is aligned, the rest will fall in place, should fall in place. Now, I haven't snapped anything in yet. What I like to do is I like to turn around, and I'm taking my thumbs and I'm putting them on the yoke here, and I'm going to snap them in place as I go around. I'm never actually placing any force on the back of the earphone. It's all here on the plastic edge, the metal yoke, and the sides here. So we had all the pieces snap in. That's good. Alright, that one is in. Nice. Alright, number 2, top there. Line that up here. That's in place. Now the second way you can do this is just hold it like that, and hold it like this, and just push. That guarantees you to have fingers on the sides, fingers on the yoke, and you're holding it on the sides only, nothing's touching the back, and you just push in. And then you're all done. Time to listen to your music. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment, or obviously email me at info@accessoriousglobal.com. Cheers.